Hello and good morning. I'm grateful that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Thursday, May 9th, 2024, 9 o'clock in the morning. Clear skies at 0 octa, temperature plus 12.5 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is rising at 1011.3 millibars, and the air quality reading is low at 1.5 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, we got 0.2 millimeters of rain in the past 24 hours, and that will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN646. Okay, well, in my last video, I talked about the super centenarians. These are the people who live past 100 years old in this region called blue zones. And I mentioned that one of the common activities that they do is gardening. And if you're an avid gardener, a good tool to have is an instrument like this. So this is an instrument that actually measures 3 different parameters. For this specific one, it measures the moisture level, the light intensity, as well as the pH level. So why would you need this one? Well, as you all know, certain plants and trees thrive in different conditions. And if you really want them to really thrive and grow, you want to provide them the best possible conditions to grow. And that means some plants require specific moisture level, i.e. some plants prefer drier conditions while others prefer a moisture one, especially if it's a fruit-bearing tree, or let's say certain vegetables. They actually want to have a certain level of moisture. Some plants actually thrive better in a certain pH level. So I see some gardeners actually putting some eggshells or calciums or other organic elements to optimize the pH level of the soil where the plant or tree is growing. And of course, sunlight. As you all know, some plants prefer shade, some plants prefer sunnier conditions, and an instrument like this will actually tell you if the location of the plant or the tree is at an optimal location to get sufficient sunlight. So this is something that you can actually get at your local garden center. And as you can see here, you can actually just switch the direction of that unit to determine which one you're trying to measure. So this one has the moisture, light, and pH level. So you can either have this, or for some people also have a weather station like myself that measures other parameters that might be of interest to you if you're a gardener. So my weather instrument or automatic weather station measures temperature, rainfall, and at the front of the house I also have the solar radiation and UV sensor as well. But you know, for more practical use, I think this should be sufficient for most gardeners. Well, friends, have fun gardening today, and remember, the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.